Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So, in this video, I'm just explaining about how we can access the training instance of an OIC. So, Oracle Integration Cloud, you can do some POC, then only you will get an understanding about how the logic is working and how to create an adapter and how to create an FTP connections. So, all of these things are, if you wanted to learn in a depth level, you need an access for the instance. So OIC is a cloud-based integration, so that is the reason we can't install any particular application for accessing this. So Oracle providing some URL for a temporary access to do some POCs. So in this video, I'm just explaining about how we can access that URL and how to create an integration inside that instance. So first of all, you need a Oracle account. Open the Google and search create account in Oracle. So in the first option, we can choose the first one, Oracle create account. So you will get a page like this. Create your Oracle account, put some valid email address and password, and country, other details, job title. If you are not employing person, so you can put anything. Just put it as a nil, something like that, not a problem. And work phone and company name, it's not a mandatory, you can put anything, that is not a problem. So after fill all the details, create account. So you will get a one confirmation mail from your mail id, registered mail id. So just accept that confirmation, and so the account is created. Once you created that account, then moving to myland.oracle.com. Just search in the Google myland.oracle.com. Inside that one, you can search this one, become an application integration professional. Just search this one. So this is one of the integration certification course of on OIC. It's a 2022 certificate. Just searching on this one, become an application integration professional. So you will get a on another window like this. One second. You will get an another window of the integration course. Select one second. See, this is the window you are getting. You can search that one, you will get a window like this. So inside this one, first one is for introduction to OCI integration service, second one is application integration on Oracle Cloud. So this is for the process automation and real-time analytics monitoring. So OIC file server, all the details that is mentioned, but you can choose the second one, application integration on Oracle interface. So that will moving to this window. So actually I have already opened this window in the next console. So see, you can see that playlist, lab, student guide, and about. Just click on playlist, means the details of the theoretical details of what is soap based integration and testing of which different topic that is mentioned for the certification. If you wanted to learn something depth in OIC, you can choose this one to learn, getting a more understanding about the technology. So if you wanted to practice the lab, just click on the labs button. And actually I have already requested for lab, so that is the reason it is already activated. So once you click the lab, you will get an option like request for a lab. Click on the request for lab. So automatically the request is sent to the Oracle end. So they will share one mail to your registered mail id. Before moving to register this, do you have to log in with your account, your Oracle account? Then only you can register, request for the lab. If you requested for the lab, you will get a mail within 20 minutes. That account is activated and you can access in the these access your lab details. Once you get these access lab details, you can just go down. You can see that username and user credentials. This is for the OCI credentials, and this is the URL for accessing the OIC instance. This one. and this is the username and password. This is for the fusion credentials. You, if you wanted to create some adapter for the fusion HCM adapter, so yeah, you can use these URL and user credentials. And other one for this is for the yeah, this is already for the fusion one. This is a sort for application, so right now credentials. So this is a multiple adapter for the creating connections. So you can use this one if you needed. And the next one is for ATP database name. If you wanted to connect to the DB, you can use the ATP database name. Then FTP server. So connecting to the FTP server, you use this ID to and we can directly connect from the WinSCP, and also you can create some FTP adapter using these credentials and host name. So this is the uh, key fields, means the this is the details that we are getting from the lab instance. So once you I'm just copied that URLs in the, this is my username and password, and this is the URL that I'm given for the lab instance Oracle shared URL. So just copy this URL and click on this, paste user credentials. Once you get an access, you can just copy the username and put the same password. So actually I have already logged in this account. For the next the beginning time, you can put the password and click the sign in button. Then they are asking for changing the password. You can change with your name, your own password. So actually I have already changed this password. Sign in. So you will get an instance of, this is the dashboard of Oracle Integration Cloud. In this dashboard, you can see that my taskbar, processes, integrations, B2B, Visual Builder, Insight, monitoring, multiple operations are there. For the next section, I will explain each and every one. On the beginning page, you can see that some employee onboarding integrations, process integrations, total integrations, messages, failed activations, other details are already mentioned in the dashboard. And Oracle also itself provide some integrations for sample integrations, how to create an integration for the new a new person is entering into this instance. He need to understand about how to create an integration, how the integrations are working in this. So for the basic understanding, they are giving some sample integrations, Oracle ERP cloud to Amazon x3, and instance A to instance B, and Oracle SOAP library calculator. So some integrations, if you wanted to install those integrations, just click on that one. See, you will get an install option. If you click on this one, automatically the integration will add the connection and all the integrations that will be added into the or integration instance. So that is the use of this one. And in the sidebar, you can see that integrations processes my task. So in our case, we are this is for the Visual Builder. In our in our course, we are looking into the integrations. Go to the integrations page menu. So we can see that integrations. Click on these integrations. This is my ID, user ID. Someone is already created some integrations, so we can see that integrations. This is for the scheduled ones and app driven integrations, FTP integration, multiple integrations that are already created. And this is for the connection. See, lot of connections are already created: MySQL, ERP, sales demo. So this is lookup, package, agents, adapter, libraries. So if you wanted to create an integration, you can click on the create button. So the next, if the connection, this is for the connection one, create a connection. If you're creating an integration, you can click on this create button. So on the next, this is for all about the accessing the OIC instance and OIC lab instance. Oracle providing this lab instance. You can access this only for 3 days. After 3 days, this will expire. This is just they are Oracle giving this only for the purpose of just for the understanding and make a knowledge about how to create an integrations. So that purpose only. So just go through these documents, Oracle in Oracle MyLand, and create your accounts first, and go to the Oracle MyLand and access the lab instance. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.